welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. Today we are going to create a look which is this is a very wintry kind of look we are creating. This look is perfect for going for a picnic and going for like Christmas Eve. This is such a pretty look and it's very easy to recreate. I have used no foundation on this look, so if you're interested to know how I created this, please keep on watching. And yes, we are going to use new products in this video, so keep on watching. Thank you, and yeah, let's start the video. So first of all, I will prep my skin. For that, first I'm going to use a moisturizer. So I'm using my favorite Pond's Superlight Gel. Now I'm going to use the Max Fix Prep Plus Prime to prime my skin. I will let it absorb. It is such a good primer. Besides priming, it has added a extra glow to my face, which is very good for festive as well, and also for giving you a dewy skin. Now today I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm going to keep this makeup very light and easy. So for that I'm going to use just a concealer. For the concealer I'm using LA Pro Conceal. It's in the shade Fawn. I'm going to conceal the areas where I feel that I need concealing. So I'm going to go on my eyes. So I have concealed the areas where I feel I needed concealing, and now I will blend them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set all this with a powder. So for that I'm going to use the Fit Me powder. It's in the shade Light Medium. So this is how my base looks without using foundation. I don't like actually applying foundation, so it is best for me. The people who don't like applying like full face makeup and foundation, you can just use a concealer, which is your shade, to the areas where you feel that you have pigmentation and dark spots, to hide them. Just do that and it will look flawless on your skin. So now what I'm going to do, after setting everything with the powder, now I'm going to do a little bit of nose contouring. For that I'm using this contour stick. It's from NY Bay. It is one of the cheapest contour sticks and this is how it looks. And now I'm going to use this for contouring my nose. Using a little bit of concealer on the bridge of my nose. So I have done my nose contouring. I think it looks super good. You can contour your cheeks or your forehead, whatever you, whichever area you want to contour, but I am just keeping it to my nose because I'm doing a very simple makeup look. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a blush and a highlight. For the blush, I'm using my Nykaa Duo. Now I'm going to apply highlighter. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this Master Chrome from Maybelline. My base is almost done. Now for highlighting my nose, I'm going to use this sample I got from MAC. It's their Strobekin sample. I'm going to use it for my nose. I'm just gonna take a little bit amount on my hand. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows off screen and then come back. So yes, I have set my eyebrows. Now I'm going to directly go to the eyeliner. I'm not applying any eyeshadow क्योंकि मुझे वैसा ही look चाहिए कि बस eyeliner रहे, eyeshadow मैं आज अप्लाई नहीं कर रही. आप लोग चाहो तो अप्लाई कर सकते हो जैसा आप लोगों को सही लगे, बट मैं इस लुक में कोई eyeshadow यूज़ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. तो मैं डायरेक्टली जा रही हूँ eyeliner. My eyeliner, I'm using the MAC liquid eyeliner. It's in the shade Boot Black and I'm going to create a wing. curl my eyelashes and then I will use some mascara. You can use false lashes, but I'm not going to use false lashes. If you are going for a heavier party like a wedding or something like that, you can apply eyelashes, but I'm just going to keep it like a winter makeup look which you can wear for like a picnic or outing like that. For like Christmas Eve, you can wear this makeup very easily and it will look super cute. So this is how my eye looks. It's such a pretty eye makeup which is very easy to do. Now what I'm going to do is the last step, that is applying my lipstick. So for my lipstick I'm going to use the MAC Russian Red lipstick. So for the last step I'm going to set everything with my MAC Prep Plus Prime. So yes, that is for this video. I hope you like this. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you on the next video. Thank you, goodbye, and also please comment down if you want a wedding guest makeup look, so I will surely do it. So thank you for watching, take care, and I will meet you on the next video. Goodbye. So I am very thankful to God and all of you for supporting me, and we are so close to 300 subscribers. Please do subscribe. Whoever recently subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. But first of all, I just want to give a little bit of introduction of my channel, that I am Ishita and I post videos related to makeup, lifestyle, my daily life vlogs and makeup hauls and all the makeup outfits and decor hauls and several fun food challenges. So if you are interested in any of this topic, please stay with me, please support me, please keep on supporting me, and whoever recently subscribed, please comment down below so that I can thank you personally.